Can I access Monzo on my computer? This is a question that many people ask, especially those who are new to the digital banking world. Let's dive into it. Understanding Monzo. First things first, what is Monzo? It's a UK-based digital bank known for its innovative features and user-friendly interface. Unlike traditional banks, Monzo doesn't have physical branches. Instead, it operates entirely online and through its mobile app. The short answer, yes, you can. So, to answer your question directly, yes, you can access Monzo on your computer. However, the experience is primarily designed for mobile devices. Accessing Monzo on your computer, the options. There are a few ways you can access Monzo on your computer. Web browser. Monzo has a web app that you can access through your browser. Simply go to the Monzo website and log in using your credentials. Browser extensions. Monzo offers browser extensions for Chrome and Firefox. These extensions allow you to quickly access your Monzo account directly from your browser's toolbar. Mobile app emulators. If you're a tech-savvy user, you can use mobile app emulators like BlueStacks or Nuggs Player to run the Monzo app on your computer. Why mobile is the preferred way? While you can access Monzo on your computer, the mobile app is generally the preferred method. Here's why. Touchscreen optimization. Monzo's interface is designed for touchscreens, making it more intuitive and easier to navigate on a mobile device. Biometric authentication. Many mobile devices have fingerprint or facial recognition capabilities, which can be used to secure your Monzo account. Push notifications. Monzo sends push notifications to your mobile device, keeping you updated about your account activity. Mobile-specific features. Monzo offers features like in-app card blocking and contactless payments that are optimized for mobile devices. Key features you can access on your computer. While the mobile app might be the primary way to interact with Monzo, you can still access many essential features on your computer. Check your balance. View your current balance and transaction history. Make payments. Send money to friends, family, or businesses. Set goals. Create savings goals and track your progress. Manage your card. Freeze or unfreeze your card. Report it lost or stolen. View statements. Access your monthly statements and download them as PDFs. Tips for using Monzo on your computer. Here are a few tips to make the most of your Monzo experience on your computer. Bookmark the Monzo website. For quick access, bookmark the Monzo website on your browser. Use a strong password. Protect your account by using a strong, unique password. Enable two-factor authentication. Add an extra layer of security by enabling two-factor authentication. Keep your browser up to date. Ensure you're using the latest version of your web browser for optimal performance. Conclusion. So, can you access Monzo on your computer? Absolutely. While the mobile app is the primary way to interact with Monzo, you can still access many essential features and manage your account through your computer. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.